First, I want to give my resume. My name is Subi, and my father name was Mr. Abdul Rahman, and my mother name is Mrs. Chanwaru. I am the student of 11th standard, and I am telling about my topic. Today's topic is smart work and hard work. I think that everyone's know more about hard work, because when we do any work at that time everyone used to say that do hard work, and if you don't do hard work you can't succeed in your life. But no one used to say that you do smart work, and that's why we thought that if we don't hard work we can't pass in our life, and we can't achieve anything in our life. But it doesn't matter if we do smart work. In this way we also get a lot of things without spending a lot of time. I think that. And what the different what the difference between smart work and hard work, what are useful for everyone's. And smart work and hard work, in these ways only a simple difference, like planning. When we do anything with planning, it's called smart work, because when we want to something in our life, at that time we plans everything. We plan time, we plan that I do this work in only 2 hours, I want to complete this work only in 2 hours. And we also know our ends with a smart work. And on the other hands, a man who do hard work, and who do hard work, he do this work in a day. But the other person who do smart work, they work, they finished their work in enough time, like 1 hour and 2 hours. He don't take a lot of time for doing their work. So you saw many people like laborers and government employee, other businessmen. But it doesn't matter. Labor and employees don't do hard work. Both are do hard work. But these hard work are different than there's occupation, because a labor do labor whole day, but his income is less than a government employee. It is because they don't use smart work. If they do smart work in beginning life, then they don't suffer a lot of sustain in her life. So I mean to say that you saw many peoples, and in a businessman and a government job, they do work only 2 hours and 3 hours. They don't work like a labor. A labor man who do whole day all day long, but they don't find such type of income that a government employee find. They work the whole day long, and also they have to hear a lot of taunt that given by their owners. I saw in my front of my house, home is erect, so their owner is not so good, and their labor come almost about 5 a.m. and they work hard whole day in a sunny day, but they don't care about their hard working. They used to say that if you don't work in a good way, I don't give you rupees when you went to your house, and also threaten to reject on these works if they don't do work in a proper way. So smart work and hard work, we have to use both in our study way. Our child who work hard, they work all day long. They don't care about timing, because they thought that I do only hard work and I have to achieve something in my life. But they don't deposit their time, and they thought that I invest a lot of time and I don't take any rest because I have to achieve this thing. So a smart boy, he do hard work in a smart way, and they also gives their time other person. They also gives their time for other things. So other things and also some children is that they have no more time, because in study time we have to enough time, because we also join almost 3 and 2 coachings, so we also invest our time in this. When we return our house, at that time we have to do some household work. That's why we have no time for giving our study level. So a boy who takes the result of smart work, he comes to first in the examination, and the boy who do hard work, they don't get such place then the smart boy takes. So I think that with hard working we also take the result of smart work. But first we have to understanding what is, we have to some understanding about hard working, because if you don't know about hard work, then you don't know about smart work. First we need the knowing smart work. And you saw many people, they do many types of work. I'll give an example about it. A man who pick out the stones for selling, they do hard work daily, and they go for picking the stones for selling. And a shopkeeper, he purchase these all stones, and he changed these stones in a beautiful way, and they earn a lot of money by these stones. And the man said that how you earn a lot of by my stones. Then he said that you do hard work daily, but you don't understand about smart works. If you picking out these stones, and you can also change these stones by other things. People don't saw your working, they saw only your result. So that's all.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. So, first of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me this golden opportunity to stand here. Today, I will tell you about the smart work and the hard work. Means you know that smart work and hard work both are important in our life. It is depend on situation. If anyone said to you that whole time you do smart work, by smart work you can't, only by smart work you can't achieve success. Means if you do both, then you achieve it. Just like if any person want to crack any exam, then he also do a lot of hard work while he do something smart work. Means everyone know that in exams objective question is also come, and there's a lot of tricks which we use and we do it. Means hard work, I don't say that hard work is bad. Means hard work is also good, because of hard work we know about the smart work. If we do first while knowing any smart work trick, first we take our effort on that work, and after that we got the way of doing smart work. Means without hard work we can't do smart work. So first everyone take their efforts, and after that he get the way of doing smart work. Without means if any person want to do smart work, then first he do hard work, and after that means when he find the way of doing that smart work, then he achieve it whole life. Means if any hard work. But just like a businessman and the employees who do work means not private employees, government employees. I think that means private employees also do a lot of hard work just compared to government employees. So they both are means first the government employee who get that job first he do hard work and after that he do smart work. But a labor he do a whole day hard work and it is depend on his beginning means if he take their efforts in beginning time then in present time he also do smart work but it is depend on him. You all know about a story, the story of a crow who is thirsty, and everyone know that means a crow is thirsty and he find a pot and there's something water is lack. Then he collect the stones and after that the water level is increased. Then he drink it. But everyone know that he do hard work, but no one know that he do the smart work. If he don't pick up the stones and don't put on the pot, then how can he drink water? Because of it, he also do smart work. And means if anyone want to achieve anything, just like I speak here, and any person who is watch my video, it is also included in smart work because of the technology. Means now in everything is happened by smart work. Just like we do any work, it is include smart work. Now we do everything by smart work, and you saw that past time people all means his whole work is depend on hard work. If they want to do travel, then they take their 3 to 4 days to any for any long distance. But now we want to travel anywhere. Then if it is far from our area, then we take there for 1.5 day. And after that we reach there and our whole work is depend on smart work. And now means now everyone want to do smart work, no one want to do hard work. Means the mentality of person is also made that they don't want to do hard work. Everyone want the trick to solve anything and any problem, but they don't know that if means just take an example of two person that both are prepared for examination, any high level examination, and one person who do hard work and second one who do smart work, and after his result both are passed. But you know that person who do hard work, he has a lot of knowledge about it, means because he study about it deeply. But as well as those person who do smart work, he has a bit knowledge, not a lot, because he do smart work, and that time he is not collect a lot of knowledge about that work. If both pupils want to do the same work, then the pupil who do hard work and in his beginning, then after getting the job, he start doing smart work. And those person who do smart work in his beginning, he after getting the job, he has to need to do hard work because he don't know about it. And you know that if you want to do smart work, then you make your base properly, means because of first you do hard work and after that you get the knowledge about smart work. Without hard work we can't do anything. Just like if anyone make this mic, then first he also do a hard work, and after that we achieve it, and now we do smart work because of I speak and you all hear properly. It is also including smart work. but we don't think that those person who made it, he also wasted their 2 or 3 years and a lot of years. We don't count it. He take their effort a lot of, and after that he get it. And first and those person do hard work, but they are not doing hard work because I don't take my effort for speaking because of mic. My voice is also high. So that's why I am not doing any hard work because it's a smart work. So I think that's all.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
How are you all?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. So, first of all, I would like to say thanks to my respected sir who has given me a such golden opportunity to stand here and speak something about my today's topic. So, today's topic is hard work and smart work. Hard work and smart work both are most important key to success in our life. If we do hard work, then we also do smart work. Achievement without hard work, any person and an ideal person never gain success in their life. If they sit and wait for a better opportunity to come, then he sit and wait for a better opportunity. He only sit and he wait, then all opportunity to go from their hands. And the person who do hard work to able their success, and without hard work and smart work never achieved anything and never success in our life. If we do any work, any job, and if we want to complete our dreams, then we also do hard work and smart work. So that's, I tell you example, the scientist. If they do hard work and then they do smart work, and then now present time the technology is too much because of scientists, because first they do hard work and then they do smart work, because hard work and smart work both are important. And our mother, they also do hard work and smart. First they do hard work and then they think what I do for our family. Then they do smart thing and then they do hard work because of their family, because no one want their family in any problem. That's why mother also do hard work. Not only mother, every parents and every whole family do hard work in our life. And I tell one more example. Suppose that two boys in any village, two boys in the past time, the people who take a earthen pot and they go near to the river for filling the water. And we suppose that two boys, and we suppose their name is Hari and Rohit. And they think, and sometimes, and from when they are little, then and their parents go near the river for filling the water. From when they elder, and then they thought that if why my parents, when they take responsibility to fill the water, and then they thought that when we dip the earth, and then we don't need to go there, and then we need water, then we take from there because of their smart thinking. And Hari thought that if we dip and then they want water from here, and Rohit said that it's not possible, and because Rohit don't think smart, Rohit don't do any hard work, and Hari is thinking smart. That's why he said that if we dip here, then we take water from here. So that's why when Hari do their work, then Rohit also involved their work, and some days also in one day Hari and Rohit both start their work, and then Hari started their work, and Ravi, and it's Rohit, and he said that I don't do that work because in that work there's a lot of hard work and I don't do hard work. That's people's thinking in their future is too helpless to that people who think that I don't do hard work and smart work, and the person who thought that in from beginning, the person who don't do hard work, and in their future they don't think smart, and they are helpless, and it's their compulsion to do the job of labor, and from starting they don't do hard work, and but in future they do hard work from the labor, and the labor if there's beginning they thinking smart and do hard work, then the labor there's no need to do hard work in their future, and if they think is smart, then because no one want to do any smart work, and also no and also is hard work from their beginning, and their future after that they realize that because time is changed nowadays, time is changed, and also time is when time is over, then they never do anything. I think that's all.
Good evening, all of you.
Good evening.
How are you all?
I am fine and you?
I am also fine. First of all, time to respect the sir who has given me a golden opportunity to stand here. I tell you about hard work and smart work. Hard work and smart work both are important in our life. Because without hard work, because without hard work, because without do hard work, not smart work, not do smart work. Mostly people thinks first I enjoyment and after then do hard work. But I think first hard work and after then enjoyment. Because lot just